So how to turn off Snapchat notifications, iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your settings rather. Go here to your settings. And what I want you to do next is to look for Snapchat application on your phone. Here, Snapchat. And here you will see the allow Snapchat to have an access on, and you will see a lot of options there. But I want you to tap on the notifications, and here you will see two options. It's the allow notifications and the time sensitive notifications. Now, if you want to toggle off the time sensitive notifications, then you won't be allowing the delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour option there. So tap that off. Now, if you want to turn off the Snapchat application as a whole, then what you can do is you have to actually turn off, or you have to toggle off the allow notifications here. And basically, that's it. That's how you turn off Snapchat notifications in iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.